So back here in the blocks part, before we use this block here, this thing was, the file was the song's name, and the upload path is the selection, but it's the contrary. The selection block comes here in the file, and the upload path is the song name text. Now okay, now I'm gonna test the application. So we're gonna enter here the application, Mp3 streaming, click on the button here. First thing, you're gonna click here and select one band. I'm gonna select band 2. I'm gonna put song name as song 2, album 2, songs year Now we're gonna click this button here, select a song. I'm gonna select this song here. Now you're gonna see that the file is uploading. Here is here's the bytes that are being uploaded in the Firebase project storage. So we have to just wait for a bit. Okay, now here is the link of the song in the Firebase storage. You click here, upload song, then it's done in the Firebase. So let's check here, refresh the page. So we have here song 7, and in the real-time database you have the band 2, song 7, and all the information. Now we can delete this thing here. We don't need this anymore. Now back here, I'm gonna go to, I'm gonna save the two informations that we need here. So the link and the Firebase token. And also the band names. So I'm gonna choose these three here. So come back to screen 1. First thing we need is the list picker. The elements are the name of the buttons. So the text, I'm gonna put just select the band name. I'm gonna put here as 50. Fill parent, bold, and the font size 20. Background, I'm gonna put the indigo. So this one here is the select band name. Okay, after select the band name, we're also gonna have to the Firebase database here. I'm gonna copy the information. So this is the Firebase token and the URL. After that, we're gonna have just a label here, and this label is gonna be the selected name. I'm gonna put the text as waiting. After that, we're gonna have layout, lists, list view. In this list view, we're gonna have a few parents. We're gonna use a filter bar. I think for now is these three components. So what we're gonna do here is select name after picking. We're gonna change the select name label to the selection. After that, we're gonna go in, use the Firebase token, Firebase get value. So the Firebase token is gonna be the selection too. So the Firebase database token is the selection. After that, we're gonna have the tag list. After the tag list, you're gonna have the event after tag list complete. I need a variable here. It's gonna be an empty list. So list of songs. I'm gonna grab this list of songs. In the list part 2, we're gonna select this block here. It's called the list to CSV row list, and grab the value. So it's gonna turn this list into comma separated value. So every song is gonna be in a text like separated by commas. We're gonna have the list of songs 2, list of songs 3. So the list of songs 2, gonna go and in text replace all text. So the replace all text is the list of songs 1 variable. We need the empty text here as replacement, and in this particular segment we're gonna use the comma. What we need is the list view elements from string. The elements from string is gonna be the list of songs too. List view after picking. I'm gonna go on control, and I'm gonna have this component here. In the design part, you need on the storage the tiny database. Tiny database here, store value. So we're gonna have to save 2 values to the next screen. So we're gonna go here, text, grab it, empty text. The new screen name is gonna be play. Here the value to store. The value to store here is gonna be the list view selection. So it's the name of the song that you select from that band. So it's this one here. The tag, it's important to remember to the next screen. I'm gonna call it selected song. Screen name play. Start value it's gonna be this thing here, the token. So I'm gonna grab the select name label and send to the next screen called play. Here is the name of the band. This one here is the name of the song. So I'm gonna grab here, create a new screen. For now, I'm just gonna put two labels here. This one here is the band name. Second, song name. Okay, here I'm gonna need the storage, time database. Come here on screen 1. So we select song and the start value is the band. So I'm gonna go here on play, band name text. I'm gonna go on control and get this block here, get start value. Now the song name text, it's gonna be time database get value. The tag is gonna be selected song. This is gonna happen when we initialize the screen. When we click back pressed on control, we're gonna select the close screen. Okay, let's test the application for now. Okay, here in the blocks part, I was using the Firebase database Firebase token, but it's actually the project bucket. So project bucket is gonna be the band name. I'm gonna delete this thing here. I'm gonna show on my emulator here. When you click here and select band 1, you can see in the Firebase. Let me show. So band 1, list of songs here. You put the song 1 and you go to the play part where you're gonna have the band name and song name. Come back here, select band 2. You're gonna see the song 7, that's here. Okay, so what we need now on the upload screen is these 3 keys here. You're gonna need to grab the information from the Firebase. So it's album, year, and link. So now we'll go on the play. Here we're gonna have a under Google database. Let's go and grab the information we need. First the link, and second the Firebase token. Let's check if there's no space here. No space. So band name we get from the other screen, song name we get from the other screen. I'm gonna go in Firebase database, project bucket, Firebase database, get value. So the project bucket is gonna be band name, so select band name label, band name label text. The tag is gonna be the song name, so song name text. After that, I'm gonna go and grab the event got value. So now we have we're gonna use here horizontal arrangement. I'm gonna put just few parents. I'm gonna grab the two spaces here. So here is band name, song name. Now label. So this first label here is the album. Album name. So here album name, album. Let's put here album. In the second part here, more two labels. So this first here is album year. Text is year, and the first label year, font bold. So have band name, song name, album name, album year. So let's go here on blocks parts, album name text, and album year text. Now what we need here is go on the list and grab this block here. We're gonna have both. So the key here, album name, is what we have on the upload screen. Is this thing here, is the key album. And the other one is the year. So I'm gonna grab text here. It's gonna be year. The pair is gonna be the value. Also for this one. Here we're gonna have a variable. I'm gonna call it. This one is the Mp3 link. Grab this block 2, but instead of year it's gonna be link. So now we are in this website here where you can download icons for the application. I just select here play, so I'm gonna download this one here. You go under select icon, PNG, and now you have the icon. So you go in this one here, and you can copy it to one of your pastes, your folders. First one I'm gonna rename it, so it's gonna be play. Back in the website, I'm gonna put a stop. So I'm gonna grab this one here, download it. So I'm gonna need the pause. I'm gonna grab this one here, PNG. I'm gonna change the name here. So this one is pause. This one is stop, this one is refresh. So now back in the play screen. Let's use here our install arrangement. Few parents, height is gonna be like 200. Align vertical center and align horizontal center. I'm gonna put a gray as background, and in here we're gonna have 3 buttons. Oh, first one is play button. This one is pause button. This one here is stop button. I'm gonna upload the icons. So now the buttons, the icons are uploaded. So first one here is play. Let's check the image for play. No text. The second one is the pause button, so pause, no text. Last one is the stop, no text. We can use here 2 spaces between these buttons. So 25, and at the button we can put something like maybe 75. So now actually gonna go on media and grab the player component. Now go on player and select source, and this source is gonna be the global mp3 link. So play button when clicked, pause button when clicked, and stop button when it's clicked. So go on player 1, pause, player 1 starts to play button, and play stop. So here is the play button. You can see it's playing. Here the name of the album, the year of the album, the song name, the band name. You can pause it and start again, or you can stop it and play from the beginning. So for this video is this. I hope you like it, and see you on the next one.